So for today's video, I would like to introduce to you all a special someone. His name is Alex. Today we will be making
a delicious pizza.
Yes, we are. So for that, we are going to start by naming all the ingredients that we will need for this recipe. Let's start off by showing you the pizza dough, classic pizza. We have some pepperoni. We have a little bit of garlic, some Italian herbs, our sauce, and a little bit of salt. Let me go grab the rest of the ingredient.
So we have mozzarella cheese, your choosing, and mushrooms.
And bell peppers and a little bit of onion. So to start our recipe, we're going to start with the crust. I started by putting a little bit of butter in my pan that we're gonna be using today. So this dough comes with parchment paper. You are going to leave the parchment paper on. That way the bottom of your crust comes a little bit crunchier. So I'm going to unroll it, okay? There we go. So Alex is going to start by spreading some pizza sauce. And he's going to show you how to spread it onto our pizza.
So you want to get all the dough, and then it's okay if you miss some spots on the first try because you can just go over it again. And more sauce might be more tasty, in my opinion. That is.
So it looks like he has his sauce completely on our dough. So what we're gonna do next is, after our sauce, we're going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. So we're going to spread it, and you can use as much as you want. It depends on how cheesy you want your pizza to be. So we're making half pepperoni and then half supreme. So we don't want to use up all of our cheese because we're gonna add some more at the very end.
So it's good if you save about maybe 100 pieces of cheese.
So Alex is going to do half pepperoni, and then I'm going to work on the supreme side. Okay, there we have our pepperonis. Now I'm going to add some onion on this half.
This is the supreme side, I believe.
Some onion.
We're pretty much done with the pepperoni side because you just need pepperoni, cheese, sauce. And the supreme side, you need these ingredients. Also cheese. I mean, mushrooms. Sorry about that.
And now we're gonna add some bell pepper.
It's probably gonna make it a little bit more spicy for you that can't really handle spice like me. That's why I'm gonna get that pepperoni side.
Now I'm going to grab my Italian seasoning.
I believe you put it on all the sides.
Yes.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it on your side. And a little bit of garlic. I think that just goes for the supreme side.
I think so. Maybe a little.
Okay. And then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. There's that. And we're gonna add some more cheese to the top of our pizza.
Both sides?
Yes. Both sides.
I believe the reason why it has to be both sides so the toppings won't fall off, and the cheese will melt and it'll cool down, and so the toppings will stick to the pizza. Correct. You want to try to get some on the toppings, but too much or that. Should we add more?
And we will add some more of the Italian seasoning right on the top. Okay, now this is our pizza. We're going to pop this in the oven at 425 for about 15-20 minutes or until you think it's completely finished cooking. So here we have a baked pizza finished. It's already ready and it looks super delicious. We're gonna try a piece with you guys in a little bit. Alex, how did you like it?
How I liked it, it was like good when I was making it with you. And if you guys want me to be in more videos, I possibly could.
Yep, maybe we'll invite you to the next video. How about that?
That sounds good.
All right, so let's try this pizza, Alex.
I think I'm gonna burn myself. Ooh, that was good.
Hopefully you want to take the...
Hopefully I will.
He obviously liked it. So it's super cheesy. It's kid friendly to make at home with your children. And it's really good. There's no words to describe the taste of this pizza.
No, it's literally good.
Very delicious. So please come back and watch our next video. See you soon. Bye,
Okie
Alex.
dokie.